What a cool lodge.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Hey, we just arrived at Animal Kingdom. We had to get off the bus to go transfer. Oh, there's our bus. Blizzard Beach. We'll catch the next one. Yeah, it's a bright sunny day here at Animal Kingdom, and I think the parking lot is totally full. At last, we made it back to Blizzard Beach. It's a little bit later than it was the last time we came. I think it's about an hour later. The parking lot is about half full. You can't see the empty half full. Here we are, folks.
Have fun.
Thank you. Thank you. Going to get our locker. Seems like just last month we were here. Alright, folks, we're back at Blizzard Beach. Mom's waving. Say hi, Jeff. And there's Lee. Oh. Somebody on Summit Plymouth. Oh, they didn't make it that far. We're at the top of Mount Gushmore. A nice view as always. Hitting Steamboat Springs. It's what we do to get used to the water. Oh yeah. Say hi. Got to hit the pool. Look up and close your eyes. No. Is it the best? Double drop. Alright, we're in the lazy river now, yet again. Let's see if the ice cave is home. Oh. River. A little bit congested, but not so bad. We got through most of the bottlenecking. Oh. That was cold. Oh. I went right under it. Just went right under the water jet back there. Jesse says my hair looks like a duck. This is where we've been sitting for a while. We had some donuts and some frozen drinks and coffee. Neat area to people watch. Oh, really? Okay, we're hanging out in the wave pool right here. Let's see if it goes under. I think it's working. Sitting here on the shore of the wave pool, Blizzard Beach. Mom and Jess is sitting way over there at the end. Alright, we're all changed back. Have a nice day. Alright, we're all changed back into our street clothes. We had a really nice day here at Blizzard Beach. And we're going back to our hotel now. Just stopped at Animal Kingdom on the way. So we're at bus station number 6. We are back at Animal Kingdom. We have to go get a different bus. Apparently, the buses don't go direct to the Wilderness Lodge. Right. We made it back to the Wilderness Lodge. It is 5:18. Love the architecture. Also, I'm going to link down below this waterproof case I bought for my phone. It worked perfectly. I think it was only about $18. So if you got a 12 Pro Max, check it out. Hey y'all, we're back at the hotel. We just got back from Blizzard Beach about 4 hours ago, and we've been taking a break and relaxing. Kind of sitting here in this rocking chair, looking at the little spring that's bubbling up into the lobby. What a really neat hotel this is, the Wilderness Lodge. I'll try to catch the water pageant and or the fireworks tonight from the Magic Kingdom. Those are pretty close. We're trudging through the wilderness. I'm gonna try to go take a look over at Bay Lake. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. The geysers started going off and I couldn't catch it. It's done. Oh. Or not.
I like how they don't have this lid. Or not so.
We're gonna go walk by the Cascade Cabins.
This is what we can see from our room.
Yeah. Cool places.
It smells kind of funky.
Okay, we just made it. The water pageant's about to begin. They send in one to Fort Wilderness and one here.
Yeah, ready.
That's cool. Here's the boat to the Magic Kingdom.
White lights and red lights.
Whoa, saw that?
Yeah.
Some serious lightning in the vicinity, folks. Any moment now. 9:13. Oh yeah.
That's the water pageant music.
That's the Main Street Electrical Parade music. No, it's not. Up there.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Welcome aboard. For your safety, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside our boat at all times, and supervise your children. Now relax and enjoy your cruise, and we'll have you at your port of call in just